In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music or audio player to Notion. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to place an audio player on any Notion page, so you or your collaborators can press play without leaving your workspace. It's quick, flexible, and works great for music, voice notes, lectures, or podcast clips. Let's start with the easiest, most reliable method. On your Notion page, type a / followed by the word audio. From the menu that appears, choose the audio block. Notion will drop in an empty audio player and prompt you to either upload a file or embed a link. This is your central hub for getting sound onto the page. If your audio file is saved on your computer, choose Upload. A file picker will open so you can select your track. After you choose it, Notion will upload the file and convert it into a compact player with play and pause controls, a timeline, and the file name. Larger files may take a moment, so give it a second if you see a progress bar. Common formats like MP3, WAV, and OG typically work well. For best results, name your file clearly before uploading, so it's easy to recognize later. If your audio already lives online, choose Embed Link instead. Paste the direct URL to the audio file, ideally one that ends with an audio extension like MP3 or WAV and is publicly accessible. If Notion can't load it, double-check that the link isn't behind a login and that it points to the file itself rather than a web page that contains the audio. Once accepted, Notion will display it just like an uploaded file, with the same player controls. Here is also a super fast alternative. Simply drag and drop your audio file from your computer straight onto the Notion page. As you drag, look for the blue guideline that shows where the block will land. Drop it and Notion automatically creates an audio block and starts the upload. When it finishes, you'll see the same familiar player. After your audio appears, click play to make sure it sounds right and scrub along the timeline to preview different moments. You can grab the block's handle to move it anywhere on the page, place it between other blocks, or position it in a column layout you've already set up. Use the block menu to replace or remove the file if you change your mind later. And that's all you need. Type /audio and upload or embed. Or just drag and drop. Pick the method that fits your workflow and enjoy having an instant audio player right inside Notion. Thanks for watching.